For generations, man has pursued the art of flight. Today, drones are everywhere, but the joy of building and creating has long gone. That's why we created the Airbit, the world's first microbit drone. It's utilizing microbit, a mini computer made by the BBC to make programming easy and fun. With Airbit, the excitement goes even further. Push the limits of your imagination and get hands-on with modern technology. Combine skills like building, programming, design, electronics, math, and physics. We care about the environment. That's why Airbit is made from eco-friendly materials and is fully repairable. Want to make it autonomous, drop a packet, or make your very own design? With the Airbit, you can do all those things. For more information, register at airbit.no.